Hello everyone. So, how you all are doing? I hope that you all are doing well at home. So today we are going to take our drawing file. Okay? This is our drawing file and we are going to make what we are going to make? A birthday cap. We will make a birthday cap in our drawing file. I hope that you all are aware of a birthday cap. A birthday cap is a cap which we use when we celebrate our birthday. When we cut our cake and a celebration is going on, then all our friends and including you, the birthday girl or birthday boy, wears a birthday cap. Okay? So, tell me one thing, if you have observed that a birthday cap represents a shape. Which shape is that? Watch carefully and tell me which shape is this. This is a triangle shape, right? They both look similar together. See, they both look like a triangle because they are a triangle. So, what we learned? A birthday cap is of which shape? Triangle shape. Okay? So, we are going to make a birthday cap in our drawing file. So, first of all, open the page. Next to the shape triangle, we have made the triangle shape on this page, and on the next page we will make the birthday cap. For that we need to mention the date, heading, heading, draw a birthday cap and classwork. Fine. So these three things we need to mention at the top of the page. So this is the page on which we are going to make the birthday cap. I have mentioned the date and heading and classwork as well. So you can watch the heading here, draw a birthday cap, if you can see it clearly. Fine. So here we have to give 3 dots to the child to make a triangle, right? The birthday cap looks like a triangle, so I have given 3 dots. Alright, now as we made the triangle shape, we will make the birthday cap. First what you can do, you can just keep the scale aligning these 2 dots. Fine, and the child will make the line. Similarly, you have to keep the scale on all of the 3 sides and the child will trace or join the 2 dots. Okay, so I'll meet you after making these 3 sides of the triangle. So I have joined the 2 sides of this triangle, and the third side I'll be making in upward open curve way. Okay, I will make an upward open curve. After making these 2 sides, what I will do, the third side I will make in the shape of a upward open curve. Okay, to the child we can give 3 dots like this to make easier for them. So the child can join the dots in this way. The first dot, second dot and third dot. Alright, now we can make a upward open curve in this way. So a birthday cap is little curvy because it is in 3D shape. Fine, so we have to now decorate the birthday cap. How will we decorate? As we see, the birthday cap has frills on the top. So we can make here frills like this, right? You can guide your child to make frills in this way. So in this way we can make frills and a birthday cap is ready. So one more thing we can do here, what? We can make small circles inside the birthday cap. Alright. To make it look printed and beautiful. We can make these circles in this way. Alright. But make sure that this is done by the child only. Okay. You have to make circles inside the cap and make frills at the top. Your birthday cap is ready. So that's all for today's work. Do it neatly and submit it on Google Classroom in PDF form. Thank you so much.